So I am trying something experimental, and experimental is not necessarily a good thing in my line of work, but I'm gonna do it anyways, especially not the best thing since I'm doing it with a chainsaw. I haven't sharpened a chain in almost 3 years. Not something I'm proud of, it's just laziness. I just would rather buy a new chain each time. But I need to start sharpening my chains again because these are all my old chains. These ones are my 16-inch bar and chain from when I just started. I haven't used a 16-inch bar in probably a year and a half. But then I've got my 12 inches on the back here. And that is enough to supply me for the rest of the year if I can just sharpen them all. Anyhow, a lot of carvers will file down, in fact, I'm pretty sure even cutters will do this. They'll file down the rake, which is what is supposed to be right here. It's in front of the tooth, and the reason why carvers will do that is so that it cuts through the wood faster. And anyhow, while I was out carving today, I broke off a couple of teeth, and they were both on the right side of the bar. And I was like, well, that's interesting. So anyhow, what I've decided to do is I've ground off all of the ones on the right side. And my experiment here is I want to see how it cuts. You know, will it go straight? If I just have my hand on the trigger and leave my hand off of this, which I'll have to keep it close by because that's going to kick now that I've taken off those rakes. But anyhow, I want to see, is it going to go straight down or is it going to veer off to the left or to the right, you know, because it's missing now. It's now missing all the teeth on the one side. So my theory is that it will veer off to the left, you know, because it's missing all the teeth on the right. So there's nothing to cut towards the right. It's all just going to cut towards the left and ruin a carving. But it's okay. I'm going to test it. I want to see how it does. And then once I figure that out, if that hurts or helps the effectiveness of this, what I want to do is file off every other one. So one on the right, one on the left, one on the right, one on the left, and just leave half of the teeth on there. So, which this is half the teeth. So I don't know how to explain this. I'll probably just explain it when I get it done. Anyhow, I'm kind of excited to try that out. Kind of scared I'll have to be wearing all my protective gear, which all my protective gear is just my chaps. And I don't know if I made this a YouTube video or not, but I hurt my leg the other day from a Forstner bit from trying to drill out the center of this. Not a good idea. Don't do stupid things. What's the adage? Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. That was a stupid game. And I won that stupid prize, and I'll wear it with with pride. It's a huge gash in my knee now, but it's healing. I can still bend my knee. It's no biggie. Anyhow, thanks for looking. God bless. Bye.